Today we'll be looking at a 9th generation Honda Civic Si. Don't forget to check the video description. I'll have links to everything that I'm using, and if you want to go to different sections of the tune-up, you can click on the links in there as well. Mass airflow sensor cleaned. So we're going to use a Phillips screwdriver, and we're just going to remove these little mini bolts on the mass airflow sensor. We're going to keep it attached to the system, but we will be removing the actual filament or the mass airflow sensor itself. Don't lose your screws/bolts. Now we're just going to pop it out like this, and then we're going to detach it. But we're going to need some mass airflow sensor cleaner. This CRC stuff is great. You're going to have to pinch down and then pull pretty hard to get the mass airflow sensor off. We don't want to detach the actual wiring here. Then we're going to use the CRC cleaner and we're going to fully saturate. If you look inside there, you'll see a little metal filament. That's what we're cleaning. We're trying to get all the dirt and residue off of it because that actually will affect the air that goes into your system for your gas fuel mixture. So cleaning your mass airflow sensor can actually have an impact on your miles per gallon. Make sure that this is completely bone dry before you put it back into your vehicle. Then you're just going to reattach it to the wiring. Make sure it's sturdy and you're done.